expect. Before I'm dead, I'll take the last climb up the mountain, face my fears. Time has come, make a choice, use my voice for the lover, every man. My mind's made up, never again.
Oh, tell me everything. Are you serious? Oh my gosh.
Though they may some.
Now that was silly. Hi, I'm Walter, and I'm not actually dead. I'm alive. And what you just saw is a recreation of something that never happened. Now the studio, that's real. And that studio is a little place I like to call White Key Records. Now we mainly do music production, but video options are available also. So come check us out, and your music won't be stepped over like this guy's.